The Lord be with you, good everyone. Today is Wednesday, and our gospel will be coming from St. Matthew chapter 8, verses 28 to 34. In the gospel, the demoniacs pleaded with Jesus. Instead of sending them away, they said, "Allow us to go inside the herds of swine." What is interesting in our gospel is this, that the devil recognized the power of God. They beg and they ask Jesus, if the devil recognized the authority and the power of God, then who are we not to recognize the authority of God? Are we worse than the devil who recognize the authority of God? The only authority and power to whom we shall bow and to whom we shall glorify is none other than the power of God. Do not believe so much on our own power. Do not believe much more on the authority of the evil to control us. Because the only power that is lasting and truly worthy of our obedience is the power of God. Because when we allow ourselves to be under the power of God, even in our weakness, we can go on because it is God who will lead and will strengthen us.